So with these permitted development applications, as you know, on a semi-detached, you're allowed to build up with 50 meters cubed. So this is where that 50 meters cubed worth of additional space actually hits the road, where the rubber hits the road. So if I just show you over here, you can see that from the ridge beam, we've actually had to set down to keep within the 50 meters cubed allowance. If we had essentially gone higher, we would have breached that allowance and the loft would have been too big. So even though there was ample space here in the loft to have gone higher, under the permitted development rules, we weren't actually allowed to. Let's have another look at that. See that? And you can see just here, we've actually built up these bricks in London stocks. So this is a really, really good looking facing brick. Monica, your design came to life.
Yes, finally, and I'm very, very happy. The client requested just to maximize the use of the eaves, and he asked to arrange for a bathroom into the front eaves with a shower room and a freestanding tub.
Fabulous. And Cully, anything that you enjoyed particularly about this job?
I think the customers have great taste. We matched the existing balustrades exactly to the original. They found some wonderful tiles sourced abroad which had long lead times, but we were able to procure those early. They also sourced some 150-year-old reclaimed floorboards, which we then had sanded down, joints filled and laid those, and it just looks outstanding.